Hey everyone, in today's 2-minute tutorial, we're going to be learning how to use the SQL limit clause. So, what is a SQL limit clause? The limit clause essentially limits your data to a specified number of rows. So for example, it can be really useful when you have large data sets which can contain millions of rows, but you just want to see a snapshot of say 10 or 20 rows. It can also make your query run much quicker. Another useful thing it's helpful for is that it can be a quick way to pull the top X in your data. For instance, if you want to pull the top 10 countries, the limit clause can sometimes be a shortcut and a quick way to do that. So let's see how we use it in practice. Let's quickly pull our usual country table. So I'm going to write select from country, and we'll quickly run this. So this pulls our country table, which has a list of countries and all details about that country. And if you look here, it has 239 rows in the data. So a small database, but let's say we want to limit it to just see 10 rows. So we write limit 10 and then run. And now you see it's just pulled 10 rows of data. Now let's say we wanted to look at the top 10 countries by population. What we'll do is we'll do an order by. So we'll order our data by population in descending fashion. And I have a separate video on this which you can check out. And then we're going to have limit 10 in there. So let's run and see what we get. So as you see here, we now have 10 rows in our data. It's ordered by population, and so it's pulling the top 10 countries by population. And always remember that the limit statement comes at the very end of your query, and it always comes after an order by. That's a quick summary of the limit clause. Please leave any questions in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks.